Hello, welcome back. It's Colonial Airstream. We're here at the Hershey, Pennsylvania RV show. Airstream has announced some new exciting products. We're just going to go through them quickly. The one we're going to focus on in this video is the Globetrotter 25FB. It comes in a front bedroom twin or queen. You can see the layout here on the front bedroom queen resembles the Flying Cloud front bedroom queen, International Signature, and Serenity, but with the Globetrotter interior decor and feature level. You also have the same thing available here in a twin bed. Again, follows the same floor plan as any 25 front bedroom twin and the Flying Cloud Signature or Serenity series. Three different decors. You get the Barcelona blue with the natural elm, that's a lighter color cabinet. You have the London gray with the natural elm lighter color cabinet. The Dublin slate, which is the dark ultra leather with the darker cabinets, and you have the Copenhagen cream, which is a light material. It's the actually Spalding hitch material with the darker color cabinets. Inside, it's very similar to the 27 front bedroom floor plan that the Globetrotter is currently. This whole section right here is identical. Where the difference is in the galley. It's about 6.5 inches less of counter space. Instead of the banker drawers that you'd have in the 27FB, there's a little slide out pantry area here that they do, and then the bottom just opens up as a little door. This particular area is identical as the 27FB. The pantry is a little bit different because instead of a slide-out pantry microwave that the 27FB has with a larger pantry below, it's just a tall pantry. So you have an option on this of either getting a standard gas oven or replacing that with a convection microwave. There's very little options that you can get on this trailer because they made mostly everything standard for 2019. You do have an option to get a second air conditioner. That would be a 13,500 BTU in the bedroom. You also have an option of getting the solar charging system, and you have different interior decors, twin or queen, and the optional convection microwave. That's really it. This has a three-way refrigerator. It's just under 7 cubic foot. Difference here between the 27FB and the 25FB is instead of two separate wardrobe doors, there's one. So that's about 12 inches. So you got 6 there, you got 6 there, and about 12 inches here. Where is the other foot on the trailer? Well, it's in the bedroom. If this was a 27FB twin, there would be about 12 inches from the foot of the bed to the wall here to be a gap. And there would be an extra shirt locker on this side. Because this is a 25, they took that extra length out of here. You still get a shirt locker on this side, but it's more open on this side. And these beds, these are tough to needle mattresses. They're extremely comfortable, about 80 inches long, 34 inches wide. On the twin bed model, you get a little nightstand here. And by the way, the interior decor that we're in right now is a Copenhagen cream with dark walnut. Panoramic view up front on all floor plans, and you get a beautiful panoramic view in the galley area. The bathroom, there's a little bit more room here from the toilet to the wall because the water heater is actually located under the foot of the bed. On the 27FB, it's located under the cabinet, so the cabinet's actually built out a little bit more. But there's plenty of storage in both floor plans in the bathroom, maybe a little bit more leg room on the 25FB than the 27FB. It comes standard with 2 televisions. You got a 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter, deep bowl sink, and there's Corian covers that could slide in here. I have them stored away right now. This slides out and makes into a bed. You could sleep. There's additional cushions that I have tucked away. You could sleep 2 kids here or 1 adult. And the table telescopically pushes down. You remove the cushions. There's 2 additional cushions that you insert in the middle, and you could sleep 2 kids or 2 adults in this area. All the cabinets, overhead roof lockers are backlit. There's mirror inside, so when you can't see an item, if you're not tall enough, you could actually see your hand in here and see what's going on. You got 2 large 30-inch wide windows. All the windows open completely out. There's 2 Vista View windows, and you got 1 skylight. There's awning controls. This comes standard now for 2019 with the power awning, the Zip-T power awning. Also comes standard with the window awning package for 2019 and the wireless backup driving camera standard for 2019. Polk audio system is still available for 2019. That's a standard feature. Let's take a look over to the other floor plan. We're going to take a look at a different interior decor as well as a queen bed now. Exterior length is 25 foot 11 inches. Exterior width is 8 foot 6. Power stabilizer jacks are standard. Same exact layout in the back area. The only difference now is in the bedroom. We got a queen bed. It's 60 by 75 inch bed. This bed lifts up. You get access to storage below. It doesn't have a nightstand that the 25 front bedroom twin would have. Bathroom and shower are identical. The flooring color is a little bit different when you go to the natural elm cabinet. It's a little bit different shade, and your accent and pillows are going to be a little bit different as well. For 2019, Airstream increased the warranty to limited factory warranty from 2 years to 3 years. Orders placed now on the 25FB Globetrotter twin or queen would have a January-February delivery. We're going to queue that out for the rest of the model year. So if you're interested in buying one, I would place an order soon. That way you could get it here for the spring. This is Patrick with Colonial Airstream here at the Hershey, Pennsylvania RV show, checking out all the new models Airstream came out with. Telephone number at the dealership is 800-265-9019. Our website is colonialairstream.com. You can follow me on Facebook. I'm Colonial Patrick. We'll see you soon.